Orvieto is a small city in central Italy, perched on a craggy volcanic bluff, high above fields filled with olive groves and cypress trees. Orvieto's skyline is dominated by a huge 13th century Gothic cathedral that is one of the great masterpieces of medieval architecture. The day we arrived, a film crew was working in the plaza and the cathedral was closed. The cathedral was built here at a pope's directive after a doubting priest Eucharist bread, bled, and stained a linen cloth. The Pope was staying in Orvieto, and when he saw the cloth, he declared it a miracle and promised a cathedral to house the miraculous relic. We fell in love with the beautiful streets of Orvieto, known for its fine wines, woodworking, and ceramics. Orvieto is a major center of Etruscan civilization and is honeycombed with Etruscan caves. The Etruscans used the caves for pressing olive oil, sheltering animals, and firing pottery. Modern humans could not have dug such a deep, narrow well by hand. The Etruscans were considerably smaller. These rooms were used in medieval times for raising pigeons. These small cubbies provided pigeons a place to roost. Many of the caves are still filled with rubble and thus impassable, as seen here.